How do you get from a black and white CT image, as we said, to a three-dimensional chest model? Well, that's what we'll explore. So you start with a software where you can import the imaging data. And then through tools in the software, you can convert it into an anatomic model. The method of conversion is called segmentation, and there are many ways to segment. You can use a thresholding technique, you can grow a region, you can separate masks based on their density values, but all in all, what you're looking for, none of my videos are playing. Oh, there we go. What you're doing is you're isolating the anatomy from the imaging data. And you can do this automatically with several of the tools that are designed both in freeware and commercially available software products. Or you can manually select the pixels that represent the anatomy of interest. And then to create the 3D model itself, you interpolate between each of these slices to create a 3D mesh. Do I have a lot of audience members who are familiar with 3D printing here? Okay, so this is all old news if you're in the healthcare industry, but once you create the mesh, you've got something that can be converted into a 3D printable file. Not only is it 3D printable, but it can be viewed in virtual reality, augmented reality, etc. I guess I didn't clarify the difference between virtual and augmented reality in the very beginning. Virtual reality is where your entire field of view is changed with something that's digitally generated. So think you're laying on your lazy boy at home and you've got goggles on, but it looks like you're laying at the beach. And you can look down and see sand and look up and see sky, and then you've got sound as well, so you can hear waves crashing. That's virtual reality. So you can understand how that type of environment would be useful in an emergency room training situation for medicine. Augmented reality is where you're still viewing everything in front of you, but you're adding to it. So you could, if you were using the Thing app right now, potentially you could put a silly hat on me and watch that hat follow my head. Even though it doesn't exist, you can see it through the augmented reality window.